Help me pack up a holiday gift box for a special customer. These are one-of-a-kind painted papers, some envelopes, tags, and other specialty papers for journaling, some paper earrings. This is just a buffer for these special Christmas ornaments that were made from one-of-a-kind painted paper and some vintage beads. This is a mermaid-inspired necklace, a rose bookmark, a goddess brooch and necklace, and this is a cute little meditation tin for at your desk when you're busy and you just need a minute. There's a little reflecting pool, there's a cute little bow, and these are the leftover papers just to protect everything in transit. And also, they can be used in journaling for later. Thank you so much, and happy holidays from Eli and Eden Creative.